Hello YouTube, it's Craig with Casworks Woodworking. Welcome back to another episode. Today I turned this mallet. It's got two species. It's cherry on the outside. I'm not 100% sure what the inside wood is, but I love the figure of it. I think I would have put the cherry, to do it over again, put the cherry on the inside because it was already thinner. I could have cut down the inside wood, but I chose to do it this way. I didn't get as good of a cut on the bandsaw as I would have liked. I wanted the flat side and round side. Shawn Stones makes his mallets like this, plus he's got a nice finger hold, so I kind of duplicated that. I really like the feel of it. I think he's got a good design. So let me take you through the process. Been wanting to make a mallet for a while. I have a lot of cut-offs, extra stock just lying around. So to start off this process, I'm going in search of the right pieces. Hopefully above I will find them. Here we go. These pieces should be good. I think I have some cherry as well. I'm going to laminate up some pieces and go from there. Got to plane down the boards to create a nice smooth surface for the glue up. Time for a nice generous portion of glue. I like to put a lot of glue on. I don't want to skimp in this process. I can always clean up the excess. Glue cured overnight. Time for some turning. sides on the bandsaw, so I would have 2 flat sides and 2 rounded sides. Now I just got to sand it up. I'm pleased with the end product.